Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we are doing a sketch of Lobo. And Lobo, as some of you, or perhaps many of you watching here might be familiar with, is a character from the DC universe and incidentally notorious, obnoxious, but he is one of my favorites. So I'm just doing a quick sketch of Lobo, and to get started, let's get that oval going right there. Let's get some framework in place so that we can do Lobo some good here. I'm going to put in a huge round circle. This is a character that you can actually go wild with as well. So he has many different you could say depictions in comics, and it varies from artist to artist. But so our core framework is all here. The chest is like the massive chest right there somewhere, and what I intend to do is I intend to have that arm like go, let's say like right down and come back up somewhere here, and he has, this is a huge fist, and essentially I will want him to hold his one of his signature weapons, that is kind of a sickle. It's called a hook that he calls it, and that is pretty much for the framework. Now I'm going to use a marker to round off the main man, as they call him. And so, but you could continue this with a pencil if you have not sketched Lobo out before. So around that edge, I actually forgot to put do that inside the oval, and then do this, because this is where the eyes, nose and mouth are going to go. Okay, so right around there I am coming in, putting in a nose right there. So generic nose, generic eyes. His eyes have that sort of thing going up, paint, I guess it's a paint about them, top and bottom. And then he has what I would say a mustache. And then I'm going to give him some teeth here, like that. Come back down, draw a huge chin, go back, that big jawline, put in an ear, which sometimes is not visible because of the long hair, but we're going to put in some hair like right around it perhaps. Okay, and we'll put in some wild hair, which will go, we'll go and fix that up later. But right here I will need some details.